Sixth lesson for you as a leader is you must know every member individually. What are their areas in which they are very good and what are the areas in which they need to improve? Like in our hand, we have 5 fingers, but every finger is different, different size, different shape. So please understand, they are also different individuals, different human beings. Don't expect them to be of a similar interest area. Some might be very good in calculations, some might be very good as a speaker, and few members in your team might be good with their writing skills. So, you must know each one of them so that you can use their skill at the right place, right time, and make sure that you know about the area in which they need to improve. You are the one who is supposed to help them in improving their skills in the areas where they lack. So help them in growing, you will also grow.